Hey everyone, welcome back to SD Online channel. I hope everyone doing this well and good and healthy. And we already talked about what is the villain in my last session, and we'll be going to be discuss about what is the virtual trunking protocol and how it is works. And so that is the our today's agenda, today's session, and we'll talk about virtual trunking protocol. So that is the, how HTTP is working. It is a Cisco proprietary protocol, and if you have the multiple VLAN information that can be carry that the traffic, the VLAN configuration, one switch to another switch to all switches which is present into the VTP domain, and what benefit will get VLAN configuration, then we'll be getting the centralized management for the layer 2 networks and plug and play configuration when adding into the new VLAN. That means the VLAN configuration you don't need to be configure each and every switch. You can configure one as a server, another is as a client, and what are the domain you have given. The domain should be carry what are the server in VLAN information to others. So that is the our working of the virtual trunking protocol, and let's go into the other thing. So, okay, okay, we have already topologies there, right? So let me go on through this one and first enable config, yes, interface first written as 0/7. Let me first set down it because this is we have configured into the as a trunk. Show interface status I'll be checking, and you can see that is disabled right now and this is trunk, and what are the VLAN we already configured, right? So this scenario we already discussed into the last video, and we'll do right now VTP. Uh VTP mode as a we can configure as a server. Before that, we'll change host name, we'll do the master or switch. What happened? Okay. VTP mode. I'll be doing the question mark here. What is the things VTP mode is there? Or else I'll be putting VTP. Oh, so okay. I'll be checking VTP question mark VTP mode server. Okay, it's already there into the server mode, and we'll choose the domain anything VTP domain SD for now. Now you can see the it's already changed. Okay, it's already VLAN is there and trunk port is disabled. Let me go on through another switch. Yes, the status is showing down. Okay, we'll give the host name client switch VTP more client. Okay, VTP domain we have given SD. Now it's already changed, and let me save this one. Okay, let me go on through this switch. And now we'll go interface fastest as 0/7, and I'll be using no shut, exit, exit, show running configuration. Here I'll get what are the port is there, access, trunk, or any DSCP you have configured, or you have whatever things. Overall configuration will get. Okay, let's take example, or let's wait. It is going to be now it's green. I'll okay. We'll check. We'll come here and we'll check first. Interface status is there, and what VLAN. We haven't configured anything into the client switch, so we'll check. So VLAN, and you can see. Okay, let's wait. Okay. Okay, it is going to be broadcasting by mistake. We have pressed something. You can see domain server is going to be 255.255.255.255. That means it is broadcasting. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so this all comes under the command part only. And if you know about the command, the concept is too easy. So we'll check. And if you want to check so interface, you can put any things that is comes under show interface fast internet 0/7. You will get all the details for this port, and if any CRC or any what are the tax load or what are the reliability is happening and the bandwidth port what we have, we'll get all the details for this here. Now, okay, it's back. So VTP status. Okay, it is disabled. Still showing the disable. I'll be using some password for this one, and similar password I can set up here as well. It's still showing disable, and the status is pairing is showing to disable. So show it if it's status here also. Yes. Now you can see what are the switch information we have. IT, HR, marketing, that is comes under here also. Now what we can do, now will be going to be interface fast Ethernet 0/1, sorry, 0/2 switchboard mode access, switchboard access VLAN 20 exit. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1 switchboard mode X switch access VLAN 10, then interface fast Ethernet 0/3 interface sorry, switch mode switchboard mode access switch access VLAN 13 exit. So VLAN, now you can see it's already there. Now we can do one thing, we'll try to ping that 1.10 pieces to 10 dot sorry, let me check what IP we have given, 1.30. So I'll be going to be here and ping 192.168.1.30. Yes, I am getting the response. And if I am going to be 1.30 for switch 2, I'll be not getting, because this system we have added another VLAN and VLAN 30. So uh, similar way, 1.11 I'll be getting response from the 1.30. Yes, I'm getting. For similar way, for switch this being 1.192.168.1.31, I'll be getting the response because we have configured within the same VLAN. But if you are going to be 1.13, I'll be not getting response. Similar way, VLAN 13, I'll be getting the response for 32, right? But I'll be not getting the response for 30 or 31 because we haven't configured them to the same VLAN. So that is the overall concept. Now we'll use our IP, what we have given, 10.1, 10.2. As per scenario, we are giving them to the IP. Initially, we have changed to for testing purpose 1.10.3. That things you can do here, 192.168.10.1. Yes. Okay. Cause we don't have a DHCP here, so that's what we are not getting communicate with the different network. So that is overall, because 1.10 and 10.1 they are going to be different network. That's what they are not going to be communicate each other, and we haven't configured, any DSCP server for this one or any inter VLAN configuration for 1.10 to 10.1. But initial stage, what we did, we have is a 1.30, 1.31, 1.32, and if you are communicate one switch to another switch, the VLAN configuration which we configure into the server mode, the VLAN configuration as it is going to be client. So that is overall, and it doesn't matter how many switches you will be going to add. You can add multiple switches as well. You can add multiple, but in that make sure you have only one server, VTP server, and other should be VTP client to transfer all VLAN traffic to another. So that is the overall scenario of the VTP. And if you are getting some information from this session, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.